Healthy teeth and gums are an important part of your overall health, and keeping them healthy is easier to do when you have a dental plan. Delta Dental is one of the nation's largest dental benefits providers and a trusted leader in dental coverage, so you can count on us to be your partner in oral health and wellness. With Delta Dental's Federal Employees Dental Program, routine services like cleanings, exams, x-rays, and independent fluoride treatments, 100% covered when you visit an in-network dentist. And you won't have to worry about finding a new dentist, because chances are your current provider is in our network. Don't have a dentist? No problem. We've got you covered with a large nationwide network to choose from. Delta Dental offers two great plans to meet your dental needs: the Standard Plan and the High Plan. Both plans cover routine care as well as comprehensive dental services like extractions, root canals, crowns, bridges, implants, and orthodontic treatment, and help minimize unexpected healthcare costs. Your coverage percentages and annual maximums will vary based on the plan you choose and whether you choose an in- or out-of-network provider for care. So how do you choose the plan that's right for you? If you visit the dentist twice a year for routine cleanings and exams, or maybe need an occasional filling or extraction, the Standard Plan may be right for you. The Standard Plan offers quality care at a low premium and a per-person in-network annual maximum of $1,500. Does your kid need braces? Orthodontics are covered for children under the age of 19. Or if you anticipate needing other dental work, the High Plan may be right for you. It covers a greater percentage of the cost for services with an increased per-person in-network and provides an unlimited annual maximum and an increased age eligibility and lifetime maximum for children's orthodontic services. The High Plan also covers adult orthodontic services in case you need braces too. Whichever plan you choose, Delta Dental has you covered with affordable rates, 100% coverage for in-network routine services, and access to our large network of dentists nationwide. You will also have access to member discounts on products for your health and wellness. Visit deltadentalins.com/FEDVIP to get started today and to learn more about why we are trusted to care for more than 80 million smiles worldwide.